Hello students, welcome back to the second part of English Language and Literature, the second lesson, The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. Till now, I have introduced you to the two characters, that is Hari Singh, who is an experienced thief, and the second character, that is Anil, who is a writer, and how they met and how Hari Singh has come to Anil's place to live. Now, like I told you in the previous part, that Hari Singh has gained Anil's trust. Now, one day, what happened? Anil got quite a good amount of money after selling his story, and he was very happy. And that particular night, he kept that money under his bedding and went to sleep. Now, Hari Singh had a very good chance to steal that money, and therefore he had made all the arrangements, he had planned everything. And late at night, when he saw that Anil was fast asleep, he went to his room and very slowly he took out the bundle of money that Anil had kept, and he started running as fast as he could towards the railway station, because he had decided to take the 10:30 train to Lucknow. Now, the moment he reached the railway station, he saw that the train that he is supposed to catch was just leaving and had not taken speed, and it was very easy for him to catch the train and to climb into any of the bogies. But while Hari Singh was running for the train, something stopped him from getting into the train. And definitely that must be the guilt that he must have felt for cheating on Anil, for stealing the money that Anil had earned, for breaking the trust that Anil had on Hari Singh. Now, Hari Singh did not know what he is supposed to do. He had already lost the train. He went into a park. There he sat on a bench. He thought for quite some time what he is supposed to do, and then it started raining and he got wet. Now, he didn't had any other place to go, and he didn't had any other option but to go to Anil's place back. And when he reached Anil's place, he placed the bundle of rupees under Anil's bedding again, and he went back into the balcony and he slept. Now, next day, what happened is, when Hari Singh got up, he saw that Anil had already prepared tea, and he handed over a cup of tea to Anil. But he did not say anything. Instead, he gave Hari Singh 50 rupees and very happily told him that from now onwards he will be regularly paying Hari Singh 50 rupees because he has started earning money. Hari Singh was quite surprised because this was not the reaction that he was expecting from Anil, because he thought that definitely Anil would come to know about the money that he has taken. But Anil did not show any such proof that he knew about the theft of the money. And their acquaintance continued. Hari Singh continued living there and learning how to read and write. Students, do you think that Anil really didn't know that the money was stolen? Of course, Anil knew that the money was stolen, because the bundle of rupees had become wet, because Hari Singh had got wet into the rains, and he knew about the theft, but he did not show it to Hari Singh. Why? Because already in the initial part I have already told you that Anil was a very kind person, and maybe Anil wanted to give Hari Singh a second chance to improve himself, to change his way. Maybe Anil wanted not to report it to the police, so that he can bring a change in Hari Singh's life. So, of course, even though the trust was broken by Hari Singh, Anil had that big heart to forgive Hari Singh and to give him a second chance to improve his life. So students, we learn that yes, of course, it's not very easy for anyone to forgive so easily. But if we forgive, then definitely it will bring peace to us. And of course, the guilt that the other person will have will help the other person to change his ways. So students, this was the lesson, the thief's story. Before I end my video, of course, a small task for you all. The task is, I want you to write the character sketch of Hari, and I want you to write the character sketch of Anil also. So see you soon with another video. Till then, bye-bye. Please stay home, stay safe. Do not move out of your house. Bye.